Imagine you're standing at the crossroads of project management tools. On one side, you have Trello, the simple visual board that's a favorite among teams of all sizes. On the other, you have wrike, a more robust tool with a wider range of features. But are they really that different? Is one better suited for certain types of projects than the other? Let's dive in and find out. Section 1. Basics and Similarities. Both Trello and wrike are popular project management tools, but they have different strengths and weaknesses. Let's start by looking at the basics. At their core, both tools allow you to create boards, add cards, and assign tasks to team members. They also offer features like due dates, labels, and the ability to attach files. So where do they differ? Section 2. Trello. The visual board. Trello's strength lies in its simplicity and visual appeal. Its board-based interface makes it easy to see the big picture and understand the flow of your project. Here are some key features of Trello. Kanban boards. Perfect for visualizing workflows and tracking progress. Lists and cards. A flexible way to organize tasks and information. Power-ups. Add-ons that extend Trello's functionality, such as integrations with other tools. Trello is a great choice for teams that prefer a visual approach and don't need a lot of bells and whistles. Section 3. Wrike. The robust solution. Wrike, on the other hand, is a more comprehensive tool with a wider range of features. It's designed to handle larger projects and complex workflows. Here are some key features of wrike. Customizable workflows. Create workflows that match your team's specific needs. Task dependencies. Define relationships between tasks to ensure they're completed in the right order. Time tracking. Monitor how much time your team is spending on each task. Reporting and analytics. Get insights into your team's productivity and performance. Wrike is a good option for teams that need a more powerful tool to manage their projects. Section 4. Comparing features. Let's take a closer look at some specific features and how they compare in Trello and wrike. Collaboration. Both tools offer features like comments, mentions, and tags for easy collaboration. However, wrike's more robust features make it a better choice for larger teams with complex projects. Integrations. Both tools integrate with a variety of other apps, but wrike's integration options are more extensive. Mobile apps. Both Trello and wrike have mobile apps, but wrike's app is generally considered to be more feature-rich. Section 5. Choosing the right tool. So, which tool is right for you? The best way to decide is to consider your team's specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a simple visual tool that's easy to learn and use, Trello is a great option. However, if you need a more powerful tool with a wider range of features, wrike is a better choice. Here are some questions to ask yourself when choosing a tool. What is the size and complexity of your projects? What are your team's collaboration needs? What features are most important to you? What is your budget? In conclusion, both Trello and wrike are excellent project management tools, but they have different strengths and weaknesses. The best tool for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. So, which one will you choose? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.